can't leave me alone, can you?
No.
Get out. Might not be going anywhere, but I can still look cute. Shout out to Tiffany Jones. She inspired me to do this look. I was gonna go with something green, but that turned out to be something totally different. So, but let's get into it. And set underneath the brow, not on the whole lid, just underneath the brow. That way, when I go in with my deeper colors, it has something to stick to. But then up here, it'll actually blend out better because I have a powder there already. Go back in and fix the credit a little bit. I'm gonna go do the rest of my face and pop some lashes on, and I'll be right back. And I don't know if either one of these shades are gonna work for me today, but we're gonna try it out anyway. here is the final look. I hope you guys like it, because I do. Thanks to Tiffany J, or Tiffany Jones, she changed her name to, for doing this look. I loved recreating it in my own little way. Happy Valentine's Day. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you know when I upload a new video. And until the next one, you guys be blessed. Until the next one, you guys be blessed. Have a good one. Go sit down, please.